Okay, before we move to the other aspects of the training, I would like to show you some of the Google apps that you need to know that you might not be aware of. Okay, so right now I'm in my computer on my Chrome browser, and by my left, sorry, by my right, you can see this icon here. So if you're on your computer, all you need to do is click on this icon here and you will see the various Google apps, right? The first one we have here is the account. That's your Google account. If your Google account is logged in here, you'll be seeing your account here displayed. And then the next one is Google search. We have maps, we have YouTube. Now you know YouTube is under Google, right? So the next one we have is Play, that's Play Store. Then we have News, Google News. We have Gmail. This is where you can locate your Gmail inbox. Then we have Meet, Google Meet. You need to use this app. Okay, with this app you can actually create a link for a meeting. You can just, all you need to do is, okay, let me just tap on it so you know what I'm talking about. Okay, now this is Google Meet. All you need to do to get people to come to your meeting is by clicking on this new meeting and then create meeting. You can create for letters, start an instant meeting, or schedule a meeting, a Google calendar, right? All right, so that's it for creating Google Meet. So all you need to do is click on create to create. Okay, now you can copy the link and send to whosoever you want to invite to your meeting. That's just it. You don't, no stress. That's just how you get people to join your meeting, right? So the next thing we have here is chat, and then we have contact. Under contact you can actually save contact on your Google, right, on your Google mail. And then we have drive, we have Google Drive, we have calendar, Google Calendar, we have translate, we have photos, we have deal, we have shopping, we have finance, we have dogs, that's Google Dogs. Then we have sheets, Google Sheets, which is like Excel. We have slides, Google Slides, which is like PowerPoint. We have books, blogger. We have Google Hangouts. We have Keeps. We have Jamboard. We have Classroom. You have Edge. So you can see Google has a lot of apps. It's not just Google Drive and Play Store or YouTube. You also have other apps. We have Google Form, we have Travel. There are a lot more that are not displayed here. So once you click on this move from Google, you will literally see all the apps here on Google, right? Okay, so that's all for Google Apps. So you can actually click on all this, and the one I find um, interesting again is the Google podcast. This is the Google podcast. I was very surprised when I saw that Google also had podcast. So once you click on podcast, you can see people's already recorded podcast, and you can decide to play them if you want, right? So these are all the podcasts available. Okay, so all right, so that's all for Google Apps. Okay, so now that you're familiar with the Google Apps, we are going to use one of the app right now. I know I've actually shown you others, but I'm going to talk about one today, and which is Google Drive, right? So here is Google Drive. We are going to do something on Google Drive. So to locate this app, just come here and then click on Google Drive. Remember, you can also do this with your phone. Okay, so now Google Drive is opening. I'll be showing you how to create a folder on your Google Drive, a folder on your Google Drive account. Okay, that's the first thing I'm going to be showing you. And to do that, you come here to where you have this plus icon here with the new, and click on it. And then once you click on it, the first thing you have there is the folder. So what you need to do next is click on folder, and then you have the option to rename your folder. So you can decide to rename this folder with any name, project, okay, any name of your choice. Okay, and click create. Okay, we've successfully created a folder for ourselves. This is our folder. Okay, so now I'm going to upload something inside this folder. You can see the folder is empty. Okay, so now we are using the PC now, and to add something or add a file to your folder, you either go to where the file is located and then drag to this place. Okay, we are on desktop now. So you either drag what you want to copy. Let's say we want to copy this particular document to our Google Drive. You either drag it to this place, and then there you go, is uploading. Yes, you can see our this is uploaded, our document is uploaded. Or what you can also do again is by left clicking on your inside your folder and then select upload file, or file upload, and then once it's open, you can select the file you want to upload and open, and then your file will be uploaded. Okay, that is how to upload a file to your folder on Google Drive, right? Okay, now I want to share my file to someone, and to do this you need a link. So now you're going to go to where you have your document, and then left click on it, and then click on get link. Now this link I just copied now is what I'm going to share to whosoever I want to access this particular document. And here you have restriction. That means you can decide to restrict this particular link to a specific number of persons, right? You can decide to restrict it, or you can allow anyone with the link to access the link. Okay, once you're done choosing your privacy or general access settings, the next thing you want to do is copy link, and then done. Now you can share this link to whosoever you want to access your document. Now I'm going to paste this link here and then open. So you can see whoever has this link can access your document without being restricted. Okay, now that's all for that. Okay, by your left here you can also explore other options. Okay, like we have the bin. Here you can see some files that have been previously deleted. All the files that have been deleted will be stored in the bin, and once you have any need for them, you can go there to retrieve them. Okay, and then here you can also get your link here, just in case you don't want to left click on your file. Also, you can always go here, just in case you don't want to create a folder for your file. You can always go here to upload your documents and save them anytime you want. Okay, and then folder upload, you can also upload a folder, just in case you want to upload a folder from this computer. You can tap on it and then do so. Okay, here you can upload a full folder. All right, This is how you can do exactly what I just did now with your phone. Remember, you can do this with your phone and also your laptop. The first thing you want to do is locate your Google Drive, right? Okay, locate your Google Drive and tap on it, and once it's open, you see an interface just like this one. So now these are the files I already have on my, I've already uploaded on my Google Drive. But then the first thing I want to show you with my phone is how to create Google Drive folder. So to do this, you want to locate this plus icon here. Okay, so tap on it, and once you tap on it, you see folders and other options. So folders is what we are looking for. Folder is what we're looking for. So you're going to tap on folder to continue, right? So now you're going to be given an option to rename your folder. Okay, so now I'm going to rename this folder as real projects. Okay, so now my folder has been renamed, and now to create my folder I'm going to tap on OK. Remember, before you add anything to your folder, you need to open it. So I'm going to open my folder. You can see there's still nothing inside, and then I'm going to tap the plus icon by my right. Okay, and now I'm going to select the option upload. Okay, I'm going to select upload because I'm about uploading something to my Google Drive. So once I tap on it, it's going to bring out documents or pictures. Just in case you're looking for pictures or you want to explore more options, you can come to this icon here and then tap on it to see other options where you can get your file or locate the file you're looking for. Okay, so now let's say I want to upload this. I'm just going to tap on it. Okay, so you can see my file is uploading and it has been uploaded. Okay, now my file has been uploaded to my my folder. Okay, I'm just going to go back. So I'm just going to open my folder so you can see my file inside my folder now. Okay, so now this, just in case I want to share this particular document to someone, I need a link to do that. So to do this, I'm just going to click on this dotted lines here. There's 3 dotted lines. Okay, and then I'm going to scroll down to where I have copy link. Okay, I'm going to scroll to where I have copy link to copy my link. Now I can share my link to whoever I want to access this particular document here. Sorry. Okay, so now, but then I did not turn on the sharing link, so no one can be able to access this particular document without my permission. But just in case I want to share this, I don't want to put restrictions to this document, all I need to do is turn on the link sharing icon. So I'm just going to turn this on. So once I share this particular link, anyone, okay, you can see anyone can be able to access this document even without me giving them permission. For this training, that's all you need to know about Google Drive.